G around the G. It's me again, Sani. I'm here to share a little excited, very excited something between us. So I want to share something that like everybody's talking about, everybody in Lagos here. Especially, let me just go straight and forward. What I want to say is like especially in Lagos, the way they take a lot of Hausa people is not something, you know, everybody knows. So when I started saying it, everybody will understand what exactly I'm trying to say. It's about what does Aboki matters, Malam matters, which I don't understand, and a lot of people, they don't know what that means. The most funny thing, you know, the most funny thing when you ask them, especially when they call Sida Malam, some of them, they don't know the meaning of Malam. So, or you see Aboki, some of them, they don't know the meaning of Aboki. So when you ask them, excuse me please, can you tell me the real meaning of Aboki? They don't know what to say. They will just say Aboki is, you know, something like maybe illiterate or maybe acting dirty or something like that. Okay, let me just go clear. Let me just go to the point. So for those people where they don't know the meaning of Aboki, Aboki in Hausa is a friend. Secondly, and those people where they don't understand the meaning of Aboki, they are calling Hausa people Aboki. Aboki means friend, but the way they translate it as abuse. Just like you are calling someone like maybe dirty or illiterate or maybe mumu, because especially when you see like all those shoemaker passing around, you say, hey Aboki man, come and do my shoe. You get what I'm saying? You understand? And some of them will know come because the way you call them that Aboki, because they don't like it, because it's the way you guys call them, because you call them as maybe you are trying maybe to insult them. You get what I'm saying, right? So it's just like maybe insulting them because you don't say the right way. Exactly, maybe let's say I'm a Hausa guy now. Okay, I'm trying to say, okay, this is my Aboki. Exactly, you get what I'm saying. So it's just like maybe if I want to say this is my friend, I'll say my friend in English. Am I correct? Then in Hausa, if I want to say, I will say Abokina. You get what I'm saying? Abokina, not Aboki. Whenever I say Aboki, okay, they take that Aboki as insult because which they don't like. So that's why whenever I say Aboki, then they get angry immediately. So because you don't say it well, if you really want to say it well, you have to say Abokina, okay, can you come and do so things for me, so they understand the point you are going through. But just like that, you call them Aboki, which is they don't like. It's like maybe you are looking for their trouble because they don't like it, and then I'll be saying, why are you rejecting? Aboki is, you know, a friend. Okay, you know Aboki is a friend, but you don't say it the right way, which people they don't like. So this is just like, let's put sense into us, because we have to understand what the really matter is, because everybody need peace. We don't need fight. Because there is a day when I was passing around in Lagos here, I saw one of lady, like she was calling one guy's man, all those fingernail cutters. So that's how we call them, right? So she was like, please Aboki, can you come and say I'm not Aboki? And I stopped the guy, asking, guy, why are you rejecting yourself? He now said to me that it's the way she called me. She called me Aboki because that's not the way she translated. Her own translation is different from mine. I know the meaning for what she's trying to say. You got me? So her meaning, maybe she was trying to insult the guy. You understand? It's just like the way I said before. Whenever you say Abokina, yeah, everybody is a respect. It's a respect. I'm just here to put clear the doom for those people enter which don't understand the meaning of Aboki. You understand? Whenever I say Abokina, that is the right way. That is the right way, not Aboki, because whenever I say Aboki is incontabulous, it's out of sense, because you don't know what really that thing means. If you really want to put it in order, okay, let me respect you and respect me. Even a little kid at home, if you try to respect him, he will respect you back. But if you don't respect him, he will never respect you. So that's the clear point of shot. So please, let's learn how to respect each other. Let's love Nigeria as one, because you know we love our country, we love everybody. So Nigeria, peace. Love you. We shall see you next time.